today I'm going to be cooking up a beat in 10 minutes using just the C major scale. So I might transpose it afterwards, but the initial composition is going to be in the C major scale itself. So without further ado, I'm aiming for a fast-paced beat, so an up-tempo beat. I'll set my tempo to 100 and I'm going to be pulling up a Rhodes from Keyscape. Actually, I found the Hollywood Rhodes, so I'm going to load that up quickly and get started with my melody. I'm going to stretch that out by Ctrl L, so just 2 notes, and duplicate that and transpose them. And duplicate the root notes, bring them an octave down. Quickly make chords out of those. And while I'm at it, I'm going to add a limiter. So this is what we have so far. Let me duplicate the root notes too and make bass notes out of those quickly. And now what I'm going to do is just duplicate the roots up an octave. I might go for an E in here and a D, so get rid of that. I'm going to stretch these out too, and I'm going to be adding some filler notes too. So let's go with the B note in here. And I might chop the bass notes too for another rhythm. And finally, as a basic top line, I'm going to be adding basically the thirds of every chord. And I'm going to switch it up at the end. So this is what we have so far, and I'm going to strum it by pressing Alt S and randomize it by Alt R. And one thing I'd like to point out is whenever you strum the notes, just cut these here because it messes up. So I'm just going to chop these so that my melody doesn't get messed up. And I'm going to chop off the end too. So with the melody laid down, this is what we have. Now I'm going to layer this with the ambient space piano as always. Just bring it up an octave by pressing Ctrl up, and let's get started with the drums. 808s first, as always. Just quickly copy over the root notes, and I already have a rhythm figured out, so I'm just going to lay it out. The velocities all the way up, and I am going to transpose it down. So this is what we have. Add in the kick. Shift D and Alt K. Turn on loop mode. Add in my clap as well. Pretty much it. I'm going to mix it and be back. With everything mixed, again I'm going to lower down the envelope and increase the gain by a bit, and then finally move on to adding the compressor with the mastering 2.4 dB preset. And with that out of the way, we can split everything by channel and move on to arranging it. So Control A, Control B a couple of times. This is pretty much the arrangement. Let me add some effects right away. I just need one riser in here. Reverse that, add it to the mixer too. And another thing I'm thinking is half speeding the melody when the verse kicks in. So I'm going to add grow speed and select the half speed preset and create an automation clip for that. And I'm going to fade it out and quickly duplicate this region. First of all, let me cut it, select and duplicate that, and finally make an automation clip for the master volume. And let me add my tag too. Almost forgot that. So this is pretty much the whole beat. C major scale, again transposed by a semitone afterwards, but a 10-minute cook up pretty much, and this is how it sounds.